LG washer troubleshooting. Washer does not drain and spin. If your LG washer is brand new, check the drain hose installation. The hose loop to drain should be at least 34 inches high off the floor, but no higher than 96 inches. If you've used the machine for a month or more, the issue could be resolved by something as simple as monthly maintenance, changing detergents, or even using less of your current detergent. Unlike traditional washers, HE washers are designed to be used only with a specific amount of HE detergent. Since HE washers use less water, you only need about 2 tablespoons of HE detergent per load. HE washers also require monthly maintenance, including filter and tub cleaning. If the pump filter is not cleaned, the filter and drain hose can get buildup, like a bathtub drain, and become clogged. It's also important to run a tub clean cycle with a commercial tub cleaner to remove soap residue. Finally, if you don't hear the drain pump humming, please call for repair service.